Hello everyone, so my name is Samuel Oyemi. Welcome to H-QTV. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your country or region on Twitter, that is X, and I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So log into your X account through your mobile app. So this is my X account now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my profile at the top by the left hand side. So once I click that, I'm going to go to settings and privacy. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on privacy and safety. So I'm going to click on that again. Then I'm going to go to about your account. So just click on about your account. So you are going to see it down below. About your account, under it you are going to see you can choose to show region or country on your account information. So you are going to see the first one, use region or continent. So that is the first one, and the second one is use country. So if I use country now, it's going to show that I'm Nigeria. Everyone that is view is from my profile like this. So it's going to show like this. You are going to see something. So it's going to show account based in Nigeria, and if you want to change it back to continent or region, just that is the same process. Click on your profile, go to settings and privacy, and then click on privacy and safety. So once you click on that, the same method again, click on about your account, click on that, and click on the first one, that is use region or continent. So click the back button, go to your profile and click on the date that you joined. So you are going to see something like this: account based in Africa, connected via Africa Android app instead of Nigeria. So this is how you are going to do that. Or if you want to change your country also, go to your, click on the profile at the top left corner, go to settings and privacy. You are going to click on your account information. So I don't want my email to show. Click on account information. So you are going to select your country. You are going to, once you click on your account information, it's going to bring a lot of details, a lot of lists, and you are going to click on your country. So can select any country here, but the note that the country that you are going to choose here is not going to appear on your profile. It's not the one that is going to appear on your profile. Even if you choose US, UK, you can choose anyone, and let's see it. Let me choose United States of America. Should be here. Okay, United States. Change. So it has changed now. So let's come and see it here. It doesn't change this about your account. It doesn't change that. So guys, this is all what I know about how to change your region or country on your X account. So guys, let me add this to it. Even VPN can never change this. If you connect to VPN, so it's still not going to change this, because your process is going to be changing as any intervals to any available region that you're connected to. I think the better option is for you to move to a country that you want your location to be shown on X. Maybe for example, United States. If you want United States to be shown on your about your account on Twitter, just move to United States or the country that you prefer. But you want to change this through maybe VPN or proxy, it's not going to be possible. There will be a lot of challenges, and that can get your Twitter accounts to be banned or disabled. That means that you won't be able to use your Twitter accounts again. It's going to be disabled permanently. So the only option that you can say is maybe you should find a way to move to the country that you want to be using your X account. I think that is the better option. Maybe you want to be using your X account through VPN. Just a matter of time before your account is going to get banned, because it's going to be changing your location. Maybe unless you are not going to have the VPN again, or you are going to be connecting to it every time, to the VPN every time, it's going to require money, because you are going to need a very strong one, a very strong VPN and proxy, and it's going to cost a lot of money. You can see it's going to cost money, and it's going to cost your account like You can even lose your time at any time. That is what I'm trying to say. Just make sure that you use your account with normal your local network. That is the safest way that you can use your account, your local network, where you are, maybe UK, US, Nigeria, or anywhere in the world. That is what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching my videos, guys.